Hello, and welcome back to Digital Hustle Academy. In the last lesson, we learned about HTML, the backbone of every web page. But a page written only in HTML looks plain and unattractive. It's like a house with walls but no paint, no decoration, no furniture. That's where CSS comes in. CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, is the language we use to design and style our web pages. It helps us control colors, fonts, layouts, spacing, animations, and so much more. If HTML is the skeleton, CSS is the clothing and personality that make it shine. What is CSS? Think of HTML as the content, the words, headings, images, and links. CSS is the style layer that makes that content look good. With CSS, we can choose whether our text is bold, which colors to use, how much space to leave between elements, and how our layout adjusts on phones, tablets, or laptops. Links and buttons. CSS also controls how links and buttons look. By default, links are blue and underlined, but with CSS you can make them any color you like. You can also add hover effects, so when users move their mouse over a link, it changes color. Buttons can be customized with backgrounds, borders, padding, and even animations, making them eye-catching and user-friendly. Why do we call it cascading? The cascading in CSS means that rules can override each other. If two styles conflict, the one that is closer or more specific takes priority. The order of importance is inline styles, which have the highest priority, internal styles inside the page, external styles from a linked style sheet, browser defaults, which are lowest. This cascading system gives developers flexibility and control. Real-life example. Imagine you're creating a simple page. HTML provides the content, a heading, a paragraph, and a button. Without CSS, it's plain black and white. With CSS, the background becomes light gray, the heading turns navy blue and centered. The text appears larger and more readable, and the button turns green with rounded corners. Suddenly, your page feels alive and professional. Summary. Let's recap. HTML is the structure. CSS is the style. CSS can be applied inline, internally, or externally. It works with selectors, properties, and values. You can style text, backgrounds, links, and buttons. The box model is the foundation of spacing and layout. Flexbox and grid create modern responsive designs. Cascading rules control which styles win when conflicts occur. With CSS, you transform a bare skeleton into a polished website that impresses users and communicates your brand clearly. So, as you continue learning, practice by styling your own HTML pages. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts. The more you practice, the more creative and skilled you'll become. This concludes Lesson 3 on styling with CSS. In the next lesson, we'll go a step further and learn how to host our website online so the world can see it. See you there.